So it's a big day of accomplishments here at the boiler project. So I've completely replumbed the 10-year-old boiler, cast iron boiler, with 1.25" copper pipe to the manifold. So you can see the return lines here. Goes up and over, and at a slight angle, and then comes down to an offset with a couple 45s into a filter, and then into the return manifold. So the idea of the filter is that on the way back, that filter will catch any debris that comes through the radiators before it goes back in the boiler. Now on the supply side, this is the supply side on the top, and it's plumbed, as you can see behind, comes over at a 45-degree angle to a 45-degree fitting, 90 shut-off valve and brass isolator into the circulating pump, into a trap, and then into the air relief valve and the pressure tank, and then back into the boiler, where of course the supply comes from. So it's now been water tested, and it is holding water tightly, so this is good news.